Ever trusted someone so much that you would do anything for them only to discover they blamed you to save themselves? Today's story is about friendship, betrayal, and a shocking lesson that changed two lives forever. Stay till the end because this story will reveal the true meaning of the idioms throw someone under the bus. The friend who chose himself, Emma and Noah were best friends in the school. They studied together, ate lunch together, and helped each other every day. Everyone said they were an unbeatable team. One day, the teacher announced an important science competition. The winners will represent the school in a national event, she said. Emma and Noah became excited. For 2 weeks, they worked hard after school. Emma did most of the research. Noah created beautiful presentation slides. Everything looked perfect, but Noah secretly had a fear. He wanted all the credit. He wanted everyone to think he was the smartest student. Competition day finally arrived. Their presentation was excellent. The judges were impressed. But suddenly, one judge noticed a mistake in one chart. Who made this error? He asked. Noah became nervous. Everyone looked at him. For a few seconds, the room became silent. Then Noah pointed at Emma. Emma made that part, he said. Emma was shocked. She couldn't believe what she had just heard. She knew the mistake wasn't hers. In fact, Noah had created that chart himself. But Noah was afraid of losing, so he blamed Emma to protect himself. He blamed Emma to protect himself. Emma felt her heart sink. She stayed quiet. The judges wrote something on their papers. Their teachers looked disappointed. After the competition, Emma walked away without saying a single word. Noah followed her. Don't be upset, he said. It was just one small lie. Emma stopped walking. She looked at him with tears in her eyes. One small lie? She asked. I trusted you like family. Noah suddenly felt guilty now. That night he couldn't sleep. He remembered every time Emma had helped him. He realized he had sacrificed a true friendship to protect his own image. The next morning, Noah walked into school early. He went directly to the teacher. I need to tell the truth, he said. The mistake was mine. I blamed Emma because I was scared. The teacher nodded. It takes courage to admit your mistake. Then Noah went to Emma. I'm sorry, he said. I threw you under the bus to save myself. Emma stayed silent for a moment. Then he replied, everyone makes mistakes, but trust is difficult to rebuild. Noah understood. From that day forward, he learned an important lesson. Success means nothing if you lose good people along the way. Now, meaning of the idiom? Throw someone under the bus means to blame, betray, or sacrifice another person to protect yourself or gain an advantage. For example, Ali blamed his friend for cheating even though he was responsible. Ali threw his friend under the bus. Remember, a mistake can be forgiven, but betrayal leaves a scar that takes time to heal. If someone saves themselves by hurting another person, they are throwing someone under the bus. And always remember, protecting your reputation is never worth losing a true friend. Subscribe to the Idiom Tales for more emotional stories that teach powerful English idioms in a fun and unforgettable way. Stay tuned.